Hey everyone, this is American Airlines 7, back with another airport update video. This is like my second one for November, I think, but November's almost over, so I might just have this for December, but I just couldn't wait. But I have they're not new planes, but I just have some planes. Now, I just want to say beforehand, before you go in the comments saying, oh, your trucks or service trucks and stuff aren't to scale, and I know the planes aren't to scale and stuff like that. I know they're all different kind of scales, and Gemini jets, Darren, I don't even know what brand. So, but I'm just including them because the more planes the merrier, the more interesting the update is. So, yeah, I just want to let you guys know that as a little ahead. But I finished the terminal and the control tower. Excuse me. I think it turned out really well. I probably am gonna need to expand soon because, as you can see, it's all filled up, and it's pretty busy on the taxiways. So we're running out of room, kind of. But I was not expecting for it to be this big, but it has grown quite a bit. But anyway, yeah, let's just get started on this update. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with this Southwest 737-700. This is gonna be heading out to Sarasota. This is actually a really cool plane. I don't know what brand it is, but I had it in a box somewhere, and it's kind of like Skymarks. You kind of like put it together. Not super detailed, but it is pretty cool. Doesn't have landing gear, that's why I made it taking off, but that's a pretty good, that's a pretty steep takeoff, but pretty cool plane. Next, this is just a Matchbox plane, but still, I'm gonna add it in here. This is American 738. This is gonna be heading out to Boston. Oh, by the way, this is based off of Philadelphia, so some routes might be like actual routes that go in and out of Philadelphia, but it's not like they're not all like actual routes. Some of them are fictional, and also some of the planes don't match up. Like that 777 over there, I have going to Louisville, but it's not actually ERJ-145. So, but don't mind that. Just I guess pretend that it is, but. Anyway, we have this Delta 757-200 that's going to be heading out to Atlanta. By the way, I made this plane. It's not the best, but, it works. Let's see here. This American is going to be heading out to Nashville, DNA. This Frontier is going to be heading out to Las Vegas. This Hydro, it doesn't have a location that it's going to because it actually does not fly anywhere near Philadelphia. And, I may be selling it, so if I do, I'll make a video on that, because it is pretty rare. This Air Canada is going to be heading out to Toronto with heavy service. As you can see, the things are not to scale, but this American 767 in the old colors, flagship Freedom, is going to be heading out to Zurich, Switzerland. What next? Okay. This American 757-200 is going to be heading out to St. Thomas. This Delta, kind of skipped around a little bit. This Delta CRJ-700 is going to be heading out to Detroit. This, where is it? Crap, I don't think I included it in here. Oh, this American A321 is going to be heading out to LAX. Oh crap, Southwest tipped over, I think. Yeah, the Southwest, it's really tail heavy. I don't know why, but it is. I think it's because of the Wi-Fi dome, but that's gonna be heading out to Orlando. Where are we? Crap. Oh, this US Airways 757-200. This is the new plane, if you saw the unboxing. This is going to be heading out to Dublin in Ireland. This British Airways 744 just arrived from London Heathrow. That is a real flight. On this side, not all the planes are real as well, like the airlines, but this United, we'll just call it United. This United just arrived from San Francisco. This United 738 just came. Oh, this is gonna be heading out to Dulles, Washington Dulles. Oh my God, I'm tripped. This Southwest 737, I'm just gonna call it a 700 because it doesn't have the winglets, but this is gonna be heading out to, oh, I forgot the Allegiant, my bad. This Allegiant A320 is gonna be heading out to St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Florida. This Southwest is getting heavy service to Dallas Love Field. This Southwest 737-800 is going to be heading out to Chicago Midway. This American is getting people boarded on and some catering. That's going to be heading out to Madrid. Next up, we have a American that's just arrived from Louisville. And finally, we have this American, which is just getting catered, and that's going to be heading out to Norfolk, Virginia. So that just about does it. I think I got every plane. I tried to take my time, but also be accurate. So yeah, that's the airport. Airport pretty much is done. I still need to do this part right here, which I'm still not sure I'm actually gonna fill in, but as you can see, they're all the routes, so quite a bit, but I'm sure I'll have more planes in the future. The terminal, I did add, like I said, the control tower, which I thought turned out pretty well. I just made it the same color. The terminal, obviously, I added these little air conditioning units on the terminal. So yeah, because last update we didn't have the terminal at all. And some new planes. And I do have some planes down here, but they're either broken, don't fit the airport at all, or yeah, they're way too big. But that's it. That's all I have, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, or this airport update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. But other than that, that's all I have. This has been American Airlines 7, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.